Well, we finished week 4. Now let's move on to module 3, week 5. So week 5 is an assignment. And like the last assignment we did, we're going to type it in Microsoft Word. You're going to use Recite to verify that you have no errors in your references and your in-text citations. And then you're going to upload your paper for grading. So that's the Recite assignment, okay? And the Recite assignment tells you to make sure that your Recite report has 0 errors. So this assignment is pretty cut and dry. You're going to choose your one topic from the approved list of innovation topics. That's those are the ones in module 3. You're going to choose one theoretical framework from the list provided in week 3. And you need to choose that from the innovation frameworks, okay? And then you're going to write a short paper, don't exceed 3 pages, that demonstrates how your chosen theory supports your innovation research topic. What do we need? You need a cover page, just like your last assignment, APA 7 cover page. And then on the first actual page of your paper, that's where you're going to have your title, bold and centered, level 1 heading. It's the full research topic with niche, okay? And then underneath it, you can put the theory that you're applying. So it's going to be 2 lines. All right. Paragraph 1 of this paper is going to be your topic justification. Remember to adhere to the 3-year research, right? So the past 3 years, you want to demonstrate that the issue still exists, because if the issue doesn't still exist, then why are we even considering a research project on that issue? All right, paragraph number 2 is your theoretical framework defense. So only one theoretical framework here, please, folks, and it needs to be from the strategic innovation list. How does the theory help shape your research question, guide your variable relationships, or explain innovation-related outcomes? Support your arguments with at least one peer-reviewed scholarly article that applies the same theory. And that article must be from the past 3 years. So paragraph 3 is the implications for research or practice. This is where you're going to discuss how your selected theoretical framework could influence future research or real-world application in your field or industry. Your reference list must include 3 current references. You also need to have a required reading from the module 3 list. And then you also have to have the original source. So that's called seminal literature. So the seminal literature of your theory that you're using. That's it. This is really for a quantitative study. So that's why I had you do all that work with scales and trying to find the theory that has the scale. So remember, if you are using a theory here for a quantitative proposal, you will want to make sure that that theory has a scale attached to it. And that's where, this section here comes into play. How does that theory help shape your research, guide your variable relationships, right? What's the dependent variable? What's the independent variable going to be for that study? That, I believe, is the only thing. Yes. So you got your recite assignment and the paper. Those are your 2 deliverables for module 3, week 5. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help.